What is up guys, DecaCrafter here, and today I'm showing you how to install a custom Minecraft map. Now I do make a lot of tutorials on my channel, so if you want to know how to do things like install a map on a custom server, or how to make modded servers, stuff like that, go ahead and check my channel out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First things first, we're going to head over to minecraftmaps.com. Now I went to their adventure map section because I personally like adventure maps, and this one sounds pretty interesting to me, so I'm just going to click here on Resurrection, download Minecraft map, we're going to wait for it to download. Alright, now that it's downloaded and we can see it here in our folder, we're just going to throw it on our desktop. Close out of there. Let's open it to see what's inside. Alright, cool. So it's already packed up in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder. Call it World. And then we're going to open up Resurrection. We're going to copy everything that's in here and throw it into World. Alright, once that transfers over, you now have your new world here. If you want to get it into your Minecraft game, all you got to do is type in %app data %, hit enter, find your .minecraft, then go to scroll down until you see saves, and we can actually name this whatever we want. I just have it named world, so we're just going to throw it in here, and then close. Next thing you're going to want to do is run Minecraft. Alright guys, now we're in Minecraft. We're just going to go single player, so you can see Resurrection right here. Oh, start. And now we're in an adventure map. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I make lots of tutorials, like I said in the beginning of this video. If there's anything I can help you out with, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and maybe tickle the like, maybe, just a little bit. I'll see you guys in the next one.